Your final battle in the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, very excited about both of these battlers. Your first one coming to the stage, 7-2 in competition from Washington, D.C. Put your hands together for Rosebud Baker. I really love how like the girls have like a cheerleading section of dudes in the corner, just losing their mind every time the female battlers come up here.
That's great.
Her competition is 5-4 in roast battles. He is originally from Detroit, Michigan. Put your hands together for Joel Walkowski.
I'm ready to vote.
Keep it in, Jay. Rosebud, I'm going to have you call it on the air. Head to this. Would you like to go first or defer? Holy shit. Joel's going first. Rosebud's going second. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Come on. Come on. Let's roast.
Rosebud, you basic bitch who will never be on basic cable. I know you're a dog walking nothing, but your grandfather, James Baker, served under Ronald Reagan and helped create the war on drugs. So fucking as many black men as possible is hereditary.
God, that took forever. All right. Joel, you gap-toothed Gilbert Grape. The only reason you don't have a rape allegation is because nobody wants to send a retard to jail.
First blood.
Except your grandfather. Rosebud celebrates being new age, which is weird because she's celebrated turning 29 4 times. She owns a crystal dildo, and when you look into it, you can tell her future. She dies alone.
Yeah, I believe in astrology and new age shit, and most people think it's delusional, but you believe in yourself, so I guess we're even.
Headshot.
Rosebud's sister drowned in a hot tub, which is God's way of saying your family's too dumb to be rich.
Holy shit.
It's actually a terrible tragedy for your family, but a hilarious anecdote for some plumber.
Holy shit.
Yeah, my sister's dead. Kind of like your 2 failed marriages. Only when my loved ones leave me, they don't do it by choice. Joel, you irrelevant half-wit. I saw you do stand-up naked on YouTube, which was new. I've never been digitally fist-fucked by boredom.
Stop looking at your phone. Your sister has better stage presence than you do. In Citizen Kane, Rosebud was a rich guy's childhood sled. But in real life, Rosebud is some rich guy's child he wished drowned instead.
Sweep the leg. God damn.
Joel can't handle alcohol because booze makes his widow tummy upset. Well, look at it this way. You could always just dip your tampon in vodka and shove that up your pussy. Okay.
Come on. One more time for Rosebud and Joel. Wow. Wow, that is close.
One more joke. One more joke. One more joke. One more joke.
Holy shit, can you guys have some rhythm at least?
Lewis, let's do one more joke and pretend it's her 4th one.
That was, listen to me. The LA roast battle wants to see another joke. New York judges, do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Audience, do you agree with that?
You guys agree with it until he asked the
All right, ladies and gentlemen, one more joke. Judges, you're deciding off of this joke. This is it. Do whatever the fuck you want to do, Rich. Don't argue with me. All right, Rosebud's going first this time. Joel's going second this time. Ladies and gentlemen, let's roast.
Joel loves wrestling, which makes sense because just like wrestlers, he spends every night pretending to land punches and every day pretending not to be a faggot.
Oh, yeah!
Give me a hell yeah! Give me a hell yeah!
Every time the Wave does something, you look so much more happy about your vote last November.
Rosebud is a dry, mousy broad. Those 3 words also describe her pussy.
Your winner, Rosebud Baker. Give her some love. Come on. I mean, what am I going to do? You going to fucking disagree? No. All right. Feedback anyway, judges, real quick, boss.
I thought it was great. I thought they were both funny. I love his Victoria Gotti clothes wear. I thought it was fucking great.
Jay, any feedback for this one?
I thought this was gonna be part of the bit, but you just wore that? Just unironically?
Yeah.
I love this.
He wanted to psych her out by dressing like the lead singer of Drowning Pool.
I get it.
Any final thoughts, Big J?
It's like you're hosting a show that's going out visually and you're still wearing cut-off sweatpants shorts. It's like...
He wasn't talking to me. He was talking to him, you fucking jerk-off.
I'm not... This has nothing to do with what Jay just said.
Oh, you're just talking to me again now, Bosh.
I'm just... Yeah, it's just like the
They're
sweatpants shorts.
stylish sweatpants shorts, Jay.
That's not a thing.
Thank you, Moses.
Yeah, at CrossFit, you're
Rich Voss, everyone. Rich Voss.
He just saved your ass.
Silence right there.
He just saved your ass so hard.
Yeah, you got that right. That
Rich
was
ate shit so hard, just saved everything.
That was a
back.
sweatpants shorts of jokes.
You know what? I like your sweatpants shorts now.
Jay. Any final thoughts from Tony?
No.
I was surprised to hear that the bad guy from the Karate Kid has had 2 different wives leave him. I guess he should have swept the leg, the living room, the bedroom, a bunch of other things.
Tony Hinchcliffe, guys.
Can I just say, though, this was the fucking battle of the night. This was
It was
so
incredible,
fucking
guys.
awesome.
That was good.
There were a few that didn't hit at all, but the ones that hit just fucking demolished the room, and it was fucking amazing to watch. Yeah.
That's it, man. Incredible, guys. One more time for both Rosebud and Joel. Your winner, Rosebud Baker. Your loser, Joel Walkowski. Have fun, guys.